How can I check the production time and shipping time of my product? After entering PrintKK, first click Products, then click or search for the product you are interested in. Take football as an example. Click to enter the product detail page. Click Change on the right to see the shipping time and the corresponding shipping cost of this product. It should be noted that the default country here is the United States. If you want to check the shipping cost of different countries, click here to select the country. Then click the blank space to check. So easy, right? How to use coupon. First, go to the dashboard page and click Coupon. Here you can see all the coupons you have. Please check the expiration date and the minimum amount. Then click the shopping cart. Select the product you want to check out. Then click Checkout. On the checkout page, you can choose to use the coupon. Please note that the coupon options provided here are all in line with the coupon usage rules for this order. After selecting the coupon, check the order information one last time and submit the order. Easy, right? Can I save my design as a template? Can I use the same design on different products? After entering PrintKK, first click Products. Then click or search for the product you are interested in. Take a rug as an example. Click Start Design. Design the product. Then select your design, click Save as Template in the upper left corner. Name the template, then click Save. Remember to save the designed product. Return to the product page. Select the product you want to design to. Repeat the previous steps. When designing, click Template on the left. Select the template and use it. Remember to save the design. Easy, right?